this dash cam is really cool. I like it a lot. It's one of the awesome things that I have. It gets power from a cigarette lighter port. It's plugged into a cigarette lighter port. And I ran it before I started driving in 2017. I ran it one time. So this base that I have right now is the base from the Vantrue dash cam that I had prior to the one that I have right now. So anyway, the dash cam that I used to have, like I wanted the N2 Pro, and I ordered the N2 Pro from eBay in 2017, and because they're shaped the same, I did not know. And the one that I had wasn't a night vision one, and it took a 32 gigabyte card, and if you put any card bigger than that in, it wouldn't even power, the device wouldn't even power on. So, and it was like, I was like 3 months in, it was 3 months away from the transaction when I finally figured that out. So I sent a message to the guy on eBay, and he was like, all sales are final. I was like, okay. So then I asked somebody at eBay about it, and it was 2017. So they were like, you would still be covered if you can find a PayPal transaction receipt, because eBay was still connected to PayPal at that time. So I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it. So I was like, whatever. So I just kept using the bad one with a 32 gigabyte card in it, and what it would do is the same as this one does. You know, like the outside camera facing out and the inside camera, it divides the files up in a different manner, and it timestamps them all and puts them all with a file name, so it's really easy to find. And it has a microphone in it, so like I'm talking on it right now, that's what you're listening to. Me talking into this, and it picks up, that microphone picks up a lot of stuff. I picked up a police officer one time in St. Petersburg, and I used that for the intro on my podcast. And it picks up like officers, like, you know, when they pull me over, if they're outside the car, it picks up the communication between me and them. It's just awesome. And this one that I got now, like I got an accident in 2000, I think it was like 2019, and it failed on me. The file was just black. It probably has the information I need on it. I played with it a little bit, and I changed the file extension, but it just was always black. So I just was like, I just got rid of that camera, and I got this one that I got now. And this one, it has the infrared lights around the inside camera, which I've never used because I don't drive at night anymore. And this one takes a 256 gigabyte card, which is awesome. And it's little, it's a micro SD card, so it's little, like about the size of a human fingernail, and it holds 256 gigabytes of data. And what's really cool is, like, it's always mounted on the windshield. They call it a dash cam, I don't know why, but it's always mounted on the windshield, and it's mounted very good. And whenever something is in front of the car that I want to take a picture of, there's a button on this camera that I can just press, and it takes a picture outside the car and inside the car at the same time. And I just delete the ones from inside the car, but anything in front of the car I can take a picture of at any time. It's really cool.